Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. In today's video, I have this Magic Garden Thermal Gel Polish set by Modelones. It includes 8 pieces and each gel polish is 7 milliliters each. So it does come with a user manual, how to use the gel polish, how to have better adherence, and also any tips and tricks as well. Here's how the gel polishes look. I love how they indicate the number and just the gel polish swatch as well. It just makes everything so much easier. So here's how the bottles look. I absolutely love how they look. I also do love that the consistency isn't too thick nor too thin. It's actually really perfect and easy to apply. Here's how all of the gel polishes look side by side. I absolutely love them. They were really easy to apply and work with. And I also do want to mention that they're all very translucent and jelly-like colors. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the swatches. So here's how all of the swatches look side by side. Let me know what you guys' favorite color is down below in the comment section. So for today's video, I'm going to be using these full coverage coffin nail tips, and I'm going to go ahead and just start by painting one thin layer onto each nail, and in between each layer I am going to go ahead and be curing for 30 seconds. I also do want to mention that today's video is going to be quite shorter just because it's a more simple set. Here's how the nails look after curing, and now I'm going to go in with these dragon stickers here, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it right onto the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and be using these rhinestones, and to adhere them I'm actually going to go ahead and be using my Modelones top coat, doing a very thin layer onto the nails, then just placing the rhinestones and curing for 60 seconds. So here's how the nails look. Now I'm going to go ahead and just apply some top coat to the rest of the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. Here's how the set turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. I honestly really love how the set turned out. Both colors go really well with the design I created, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's set. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I appreciate the continuous support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And happy Sunday to each and every single one of you guys.